Hey guys, you may recognize my fidget spinner video, but this time, guess what I got? A fidget cube. It is Hulk. It has a lot of buttons. I just got it today, from Walmart. Yeah, what's good about this fidget cube, it's not like a fidget spinner. Because I thought it would be the same. But it's actually different. It has buttons. It does have the circle that spins. It does have a circle. It has some circles that spin. So yeah, this is my new fidget cube. I just bought it. I don't know how much dollars it was, but it's really cool. This fidget is not alike of fidget spinners. It has buttons on it this time. Fidget spinners don't. So yeah, watch my next videos, alright? So yeah, bye.